Hi, welcome to Ride Alongside. Today I'm on the Peavine Trail in Prescott, Arizona. So it's been 2 years since I started using the Wolf Tooth Boostinator kit. The kit that switches my rear hub from 142 to 148. Now you can check out my unboxing video and an introduction to this product by clicking the link in the upper right. So what's durability been like with the Wolf Tooth Boostinator kit? Well, I've taken it off of my wheel and have put that wheel on other bikes that didn't need it. Have taken the cassette off of that wheel, put a cassette on from my wheel that is 148 and put it onto this wheel, put the Boostinator kit back on, and everything's shifting great. Everything's very snug, very secure. No play has developed at all, and I'm really happy with it. I can't say enough good things about it. I haven't had to adjust my rim at all. I haven't had to dish it out or have it dished by anyone else. I have really enjoyed riding my non-boost wheels on a boost frame. So what are some downsides about it? Well, it's a little bit of a loose fit. So sometimes the end cap can be a little bit loose and may fall off if you're taking your wheels off and transporting them in your vehicle. One thing you'll wonder when you first install this is that they tell you that you should dish it out slightly so that the wheel's centered. Well, my wheel is pretty well centered in my frame, so I never felt the need to dish it out at all. Some of the things I really like about the Boostinator kit is that it's made in the US. It's very well machined, and the screws are very strong and a little bit longer. So I haven't had any issues with those screws at all, and none of the three components really. So the question becomes, would I use the Boostinator kit again? Well, ideally no. Ideally I would build up a Boost 148 hub or even a Super Boost if that's what my frame required. But if I have a good set of wheels that I already had built that were the 142 standard for the rear wheel, absolutely I'd buy it again. This kit has saved me hundreds of dollars from having to buy a new wheel set, and it's super high quality. I have to give it my full recommendation, and I don't always do that with products. And like all of our videos, all of our articles, we are never paid to promote any products. So I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this and that you found it useful. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If not, you can give me a thumbs down, but please leave a comment regardless down below. Let me know what you liked or didn't like about the video. And hit the subscribe button too, that really helps out our channel. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. I'll have more content for you real soon.